Black Friday order came in, so pumped. So this is my business Black Friday haul from Amazon. First things first, I mean, this is priorities right here. Hollander caramel sauce. Have you had this? Ooh, yuck. Carefully get this off. Okay, can you see that? You see what I'm talking about? Whenever it does that? Anyways, I think I can use like Goo Gone or something. I don't have Goo Gone. Can I use soap? Put this with some espresso, add macadamia nut milk. Delicious. Oh, I forgot about this. My rheumatologist told me to take it. I guess there's like some research about it for lupus. Not giving medical advice, okay?
Okay.
This is a Samsung SSD T7, which is super fast. My computer is actually not fast enough to even keep up with this, so I won't get to use the full benefit of it until I upgrade this computer, which it needs to happen. It needs to happen. I'm so pumped. Got the 1 terabyte just to try it out. Been attaching it to the back of my laptop. When I get here, I've been working completely off of the hard drive. You guys, look how thin this is and nice. It's light and it doesn't have any moving parts, so it's way more reliable. That's beautiful. Way to go, Samsung. Also, when you're buying drives, you don't want to just find the cheapest one and buy it because download and upload speeds are really important, especially if you're working off that device. It's not just a backup. I've seen a bunch of people do this. This was not my idea. Attach Velcro to the back and then slap it on the back of your computer. It's so great. I've been putting my current projects on that one. When I'm doing brand photography for companies, I'm shooting with massive files. So I really need to have 2 working drives, then I'll back up to another drive. That's just what needs to happen. Also, this is the T5, this is the T7, and you can see the difference. You can't see it as much on camera, but this is way thinner, and the T7 is supposed to be way faster. Next. It's like Christmas, just throwing it on the floor. Okay, what did we get here? Oh, yes. This is a gift. These are cute espresso mugs. They've got like the double wall. We've been eyeing these for a long time for gift and finally snagged them. I honestly am not 100% sure because I thought 2 ring lights here. So I'm not sure if I lost my mind and I ordered 1,000 ring lights or what, but this, I was wondering because these boxes are huge. I got one that's supposed to just be for your desk. Yeah, this is the one for the desk. Look at this itty bitty guy. I've been getting tons of questions on ring lights. I've never used them. Decided to buy a few so you don't have to. Let you know how it goes. We're gonna do like a whole ring light video, how to set up like the best lighting with your ring light. Look, you've got like a big tripod here. Oh, look at this, that's fantastic. And then a small little tripod here. Where is that? I've got so many cords going on right now. I need a way where when I'm accessing older files from my hard drives, I can keep it really nice and tidy without all the cords. Oh, okay, that is really bright. Let's bring it down. Okay, so there are a few different settings. I've never shot with a ring light, but when I'm shooting it, I wouldn't want to go way up where it looks like, oh, hey, you've definitely got a ring light. Bring it down a little bit, and then it looks like this one has different colors. I'd probably go with that one. That looks kind of natural, and this is at a very low setting. So there's off and there's on. Just actually like a touch brings out my eyes. What do you think? This is literally just hanging on my camera like the little ring light. It's just right there on my lens. So there you go. If you didn't know, apparently you can do that. Then we've got these 2 ring lights. The Neewer brand is really interesting. I was looking at a backdrop from them. Their whole thing is pro photography with like an amateur budget, which is kind of fun, especially if you want like, well, one, if you don't have the budget to like invest in, you know, high-end lighting gear and stuff like that. But the other thing that's nice, if you want to experiment with something, that'd be like a great way to start, like to experiment without spending like thousands of dollars on your experiment. Oh, we've got a case here. Maybe I ordered 2 ring lights so I could compare them. I didn't think I did that, but I think that's what I did. It's been a crazy couple weeks. That's all I can say for myself. Okay, cleanup. It's Vlogmas day 1. I don't know that I'll be posting a video every single day, but I'm gonna post as many videos as I can. I'm gonna pump out as much content as I can. That way I can get to know you, you can get to know me. It'll just be a fun season. So as many pieces of content between December 1st, which is today, and December 25th. Let's do it. We have a cord situation. Cords back here, and still, they're just everywhere. Okay, so Isaac was here the last time I did this and reminded me that it has to sit for 15 minutes. And by reminded me, I mean taught me. Because I didn't know and I don't always read directions, especially on something like Velcro where I think I know what I'm doing. That way you can't see them while I'm working. And then I'm gonna zip tie these, I think. I have a lot of videos that I need to edit. Vlogs, unboxings, things like that. So you'll see things in this video and then I'm gonna actually unbox it coming up. But I wanted to go ahead and put this out on December 1st because happy Vlogmas. I'm really excited about some of the traditions that we're going to start this year as a family. It's gonna feel a little bit like we're jumping back in time, but it's because we are. And that's a broken phone case. Probably should get a new one of those, but hey, it still works if I drop my phone. So, there you go. And have blue lights on the background, which is like my favorite. Plus, color psychology, blue is productive, makes you more productive, helps you focus. Make me productive, she turns all my lights blue. And this ring light will be a nice addition so I can keep my ISO lower. We're gonna see how it works. And if I can make it look natural, which I think it'll be easy. So this is the one without the carrying case. Have I mentioned that I'm watching the Harry Potters over and over and over again? Okay, yeah, when you're pushing these on, when you're pushing these on, you wanna really punch it down. Don't be too gentle. Okay, this was so easy to set up. Be careful when you're adjusting these. They actually just screw straight out and I lost one of the pieces, had to find it. We'll plug this in and see what it looks like. So it's what, an arm's length away right here. So a little less darker so I can brighten this. Just like a little, see that? Whoa, it gets bright, y'all. Definitely wouldn't do that bright, let's see. I'm thinking something like that with the blue lights. Alexa, make me productive. You know, good lighting, woo! Good lighting, that is not it, is really subtle, like a photo edit. Now, not all photo edits are subtle, but I mean, you don't sit there, like the edit isn't the thing you notice. You're not like, bam, whoa, that edit is so cool. At least not when you're going for a more natural look, which is what I'm going for in this, for my YouTube setup. So, okay, it's not like perfect, but I'm not gonna mess with it too much because I just wanna show you kind of initially what I would do with a ring light. Probably like that. I like that it's catching, you know, the side of my eye. If you bring it behind the camera, it's a little bit softer. It creates a more soft look on my face. Up and behind you to give you a nice little rim light, or fill it on the side for a more natural look. So this is the Chick-fil-A Cobb salad, and then I get warm grilled, it's supposed to be nuggets, but this is strips. Warm grilled nuggets, avocado lime dressing, and guacamole. This is a special request. It doesn't come with guacamole. This is like a bowl of comfort. It is so good. Okay, so this is what it looks like at the end of the day. So I've actually got the ring light pointed away toward the wall to create more of a glow, and I think I'll take it down. Today was a fun ring light day. I've got this video to edit. I edited inspiration shoot photos. I worked on social media for a client, took a client call, client proposal. It was a very productive day. Tomorrow is a doctor day. So less productive, more on the road type stuff, but I've got my iPad for that. My computer just finished transferring files, so that means I can go home, see my babies. It'll be good. We're gonna do family dinner, start our Christmas tradition. It was a good day. Happy Vlogmas, day 1. I will see you in the next video. Share your work because only you can see the world the way that you do. And I'm cheering you on. I'll see you next time.